Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn how to make another branch to make it to be the branch by default. And by default the branch by default it's master. So now we will create another branch and make it the branch by default. So first of all, let's create it. Let's name it dev. Let's create branch dev. And it's created, and now we are on it. After that, let's go to setting. After setting, let's go to branches, and here let's select new default branch, which is dev. Let's click update, and here it tells us that some of Git will not be the same as before, because they used to the origin to be the master, and now it will be dev. So let's just click I understand, update default branch, and now default branch change it to dev. And after doing that, it's better that we clone the project again. So let's click clone, let's copy all this URL for me. Let me clear this. Let's close this this website or this old repository. Let me delete it. rm remove force and to name my website, and now it will be deleted. After that, we will clone the same project but with the new default branch. Let's check if it was deleted, and yeah, it was deleted. So now let's clone this. Git clone, we paste URL, it's with SSH. Let's use with HTTP. Let me just delete this. Clone, see, clone with SSH, or let's keep it that way. Let's just keep it SSH, and it's cloning, and after that it will tell us that everything it's cloned successfully, and we will find the project it's cloned directly and successfully. So now ls, and we see my website. So let's go on it, my website. Let's hit enter, and see here we found that dev it's now the main branch, or the branch by default. Before we see here the master, but now it's dev. So this is how we can change the default branch. Yeah, so this is all for the video. So for me, I will just sit back or go back to the old branch that is master, and delete this code and clone the new one with the master branch. So I will go to setting. I'm not sure if I click on it. Yeah, so setting, branch again, and I will change that and go back to master. Update, yeah, I understand. Now default branch change to master. Go back to my website, and also come back here, go out of the file, remove it. I think I still have, yeah, this is the command. Hit enter, it will be removed. Let's clone it again, copy, and let's use again same command line. Let me just to make sure it's the same URL, but just to make sure that everything is work okay. Let's hit enter, and now it will be cloned, and after if we go to the folder we will see that the master now it's again the main branch. So this will be all for this video. So let's just check my website. Let's hit enter and see now the master, it's back again as the branch by default. So this is all for this video. See you